right? You need to. Don't say I can't. I did. It takes about 5-10 minutes with me. I know what I'm looking for, and I put all the wording in my chart.
Okay, Dr. Husam, can you do it now? Give us example without speaking.
Here.
No, you did. You spoke. You explained.
No. I didn't. I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
But when I give them the pattern, and they did, I did not say anything.
You know what?
Not for
No, for you, because I'm doing the. No, this one here. Did I explain to you how to divide?
But you know
Here.
We have this background. The
Okay.
student doesn't
Guys,
have.
no. Don't assume student have. No, don't assume. Students are smarter than what you think. Okay? Look at it. Let them look at it. It's a picture. It's a picture. Yes. You're not going to lose anything. Why you not challenge? As you said, challenge them. Okay? Challenge them. Why not? Okay? Try. No. Now, here, I give you another example. I did not assume, I did not say anything. I know 6 times 6, 36. Okay? So if I ask the student, I want 5 times 7, looking at that, maybe they didn't get this. They look at the second one. So they look at this and, oh, wait a minute, this is a perfect one, different from square. طبعا this is ahead of them. So 2 times 4, 8. So what you did, what's the feedback there from? Oh, you go 1 back and 1 forward. So if you give them any number, they will give you the answer. Even if you give them, for example, if you give them 15 times 15 and you ask them 14 times 16, they will feel good about themselves. That's, look, I'm doing a big number without doing multiplication 2 divided by 2.
You use the number lines with them.
Yes, and again, it can be activity, it can be differentiate, whatever. But I don't like it. It can't. If we're gonna